Hello guys, today guys, mga tumiog Safari! Asa man Safari? Duro? Duro?
Safari! 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 Safari!
1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 na. Orange Town. 1 minute walk, Orange Town. Ring-tailed lemur.
Ano siya ba?
Ano
siya ba?
Si ring-tailed lagi.
Ring-tailed?
Okay.
I'm gonna do the video. Let's do video. Just fell.
Uy, durang-urang ko tanay! Durang-urang ko tanay! Let's go. Oh, look, my baby! Look, my baby! Oh!
Ako lagi sila.
Ay, buwian.
It's the color of the monkey, I think.
Ha? Sa color?
Sa color.
Kami na, Ikay. Sa flavor na yung makikoy.
Oreo.
Oh, pero giraffe, oh, giraffe.
Papa na. Mama, Papa na.
What's up, guys? Magpakaon mo sa layon.
Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Wildlife. I'm Kyle, your tour guide for this ride. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the truck is moving.
Tuloy sa.
But all in all po, we are 5 white lions, sir. But the other 2 came from Germany. And these 3 came from France po. Mo din sila dapat isagol with.
Nasa man nila ang duha.
Ang duha nasa holding area, sir.
Ito pa. Asa may mas dagko ano nila.
Mas dagko tong duha, sir. Pero dako sa nito sa ani kana si Jack ay.
Laki
Kanang
ganun.
all males po. There's no females to avoid aggressive fights between them.
We're not our tacho.
So if you're wondering why they are called white lions, even though they're not entirely white, it's because
Ayun, sir.
program sila mama. Utuhan to
Layon?
Japan.
Ito ba sa layon? Sleep man. Uy, sleep man. Ano ko yan ako?
Ipiskan kini! Ito kayo ito na magay.
What's up guys? Nami karon sa safari. Kau ba na mag-isa? Hi guys. We've been picture Leia. Mangita ni orangutan. Dra orangutan. Dra orangutan. Chip. Pet man na ni Aladdin. Oh, unggoy dito dahil. Nampi camel po dito.
Wala ko sa unggoy.
Try.
Wala ko unggoy.
Ang gaday ka.
Nami diri karon guys. Wow! Tinuod na gyud. Tinuod na gyud.
Sige na kaming ko din sa salida.
Lagi. Puros mo to figurin ang nakita sa mua.
Nakawin na ka sa una, sir?
Picture dyan is ikaw na.
Ito, lagi sa picture dyan.
Ano mga sa fountain.
Picture weya.
Mga tikatik ba?
Picture dyan, picture.
Hello guys. Kami karon sa Faraway. Wala mo na. Indian beef. Beef fowl. Bin, bitin bin. It's prank.
Sita.
50 pesos.
Maximum
Ano 50 pesos?
Ode.
Where?
Ay.
No.
Ate Chess. Ate Chess.
Uy, dili. Kaya daddy. Oh, daddy, wala ako sa daddy.
Wow.
Ibo nga dar na.
Woy, guna.
Morning. Matag. Masik na ako dun ah. Ikaw yung nagre dito. Bird feeding? Let's go, let's go. Stop running. Okay lang, bidyan na to. Lagi koy. Uy, matagak kikoy, tarong agda. Saan nga bird?
Sanpong mo. O ka na,
Oh.
pigeon sir.
Pigeon? Mo rin yung pigeon? Kailan yung pigeon? Hala. Hello, bird. Ayun, smile man, smile. Smile lang, smile. Daddy lang, daddy lang. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, Lola, wow! Wow, look at the Sir Jonas. Oh.
I have a bouquet of birds.
Picture ko yan.
Picture. Come on, picture ma'am.
Yan, picture ko yan. Smile mo, smile.
Hindi ka lagi kayo sa tanahon, gagahilak kayo sa smile.
Ko yan. Hello.
Nakatry ka ra?
Ito taruh na lagi ko. Bukat din, bukat. Ay.
Ano dati ang ano?
Okay.
Yung panda? Yung panda?
Na, ito na nila yung panda.
Tarong ako pot, tarong ako pot. Ang hatag na nila yan.
Man, para sa na experience ba? Yung baste. Sir, sir! Matatay baste. Ano eh? 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Follow, baste. Ano yan? 1, 2.
Yawan na. Yawan.
Careful. Malakad solo.
Binturong. Binturong. Tug na siya, tug. Ha? Ilok lagi na. Katong puti, no? Katong... Ay! Monkey! Monkey!
Akol.
Nasa mo.
May monkey dito, monkey. May monkey dito.
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Ay, mag-away man sila ikanay.
Away din ka natin, ay. Sino?
Ang gusto mo niyo.
Ito yung maganan lagi, Francesca.
Don't go back. Tatanong mo siya. Tato na tadi.
We're the gate of the sun. So once again, God bless back.
I did my favorite zebra.
The stricter they become, the more attractive our in-laws na sila. And the next one, at the back, those are the eland. So eland is the biggest or the largest antelope here in Savannah. Their height can reach up to 5 feet in the shoulders, and their weight averages 400 to 1,000 kilograms. And those are the zebras. So zebras are born with black skin
Francesca.
and white stripes.
Zebra.
Their stripes are unique, just like our bigger wings, because there are no two zebras having the same pattern.
Hey guys! Hey!
Once again, the eland, waterback, and the zebras.
Well, ako friends at si zebra.
The zebra.
And more zebras.
Favorite zebra!
The biggest antelope here in Savannah is that Campos Gazelle. So the smallest antelope here po And also, even though they are small, they're still incredible runners. Okay, so those are the wildebeest. So the one we have here is the blue wildebeest. So earns its name by the blue shin coat, black tail, and neck beard. And if you're familiar with the movie Lion King, they are the same species that accidentally killed King Mufasa due to a stampede scene. And also known as the clown of Savannah because the male wildebeest will perform an impressive dance move to impress the female wildebeest every mating season. So masayaw sila para ma-impress or ma-love. So once again, the wildebeest and the Thompsons Bazaar. And
Crocodile.
Hello, fake.
Hindi, di real. Di ko na mo real crocodile ay. Lawag ka dinero.
Lawag lang ko de.
Hindi na real.
Dala lagi real fake na.
Fake, kasi fake.
Real drawing.
Muna siya, sir? Porta pa mas dako, ganda niya. Baka to. Kakaroon. Mulayat ni sila. Mulayat ni sila. Kung sa'yo ko lang, mga manok. Every, kanasaan ko ang lang feeding.
Tambok na dako. Dito lang tambok de.
Ano, same siya.
15 days pa. Uy, see mo?
Dito lang tambok de.
Ka-creepy.
Dito di, naitambok de.
Lagi na pre tambok eh, tambok eh.
40 na de. Ito na.
Tana, tana. Okay, nakita man siya ni mo. Ano siya? Kalimbat anaw, niligo.
Ano siya? Nakakita na ko.
Kuyo ano eh. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Lo.
Naglanga.
Gigutom eh. Nakita ni mo Cheska, gigutom.
Look at ako sa.
Oh, ni dagan. Come here, come here. Come here.
Kan si usa kan sa liyo.
Witi, 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 witi.
Pagkugusi ko.
Kita ka mga anak.
Mahal.
One walk. Padong ni mo Cheska. Hala. Son, son. 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 Murag iro.
Di lagi na siya maliho.
Pakai layan dari.
Wow!
Uy, nagsipong mo, boy.
This is your money.
Ito nga layan dari. African lion, the African lion dari.
Bawa sa diling layon. Bawa kayong layon. Laili ko.
Don't put the glass, Margie.
Don't tap the glass di eh. Manoktok yan nakalit. Let's go, let's go. Bye, cheater.
If you want to volunteer. So we have here volunteer staff at the UP. She will be the one who pick out the volunteer and give instructions. Alright, so we already have our adult volunteer.
Volunteer na ka na eh.
So please be careful. So sandcunyors are also known as sand parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. Build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. Sunny flies all the way to Ma'am Joy under her arms, and he picks the 200 peso bill. Go inside, Sunny. Bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 200 pesos. See, easy money, right? What is your message to our good Sunny? Fly to the first one and to the second one. And made to the third one. Can we do it again? 1, 2, and 3. So one more time before we're gonna end our last act. So come back here, Jack. Fly to the first one and to the second one, and he made to the third one. What else can they mimic?
They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle.
So first, this is the rooster. Now, how about cat?
Okay, ready? Can you bark?
Alright, now let's do a telephone. Alright, now whistle. Alright, now Miss Donna, I think Lani and Rudy here has a hidden talent.
Yes, they love to sing, but before they...
Who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Raise your hand. Alright, now happy birthday. Now listen carefully because Lani and Rudy here will sing a happy birthday. Again. Last one. So round of applause to our mimicking birds here.
Kapag mga chicharitsit. Libang-bang, alibang-bang. Anak kong slice bread, hindi na naman. Abi na ko matago sa bag dito. Malibat ko, big. Malibat ko, big. Pagkati ko ka dito, 40. Ito naginihan rice natin. Ito? Ina na to yun.
Last place, punta. Dapat naman ito mga muli. Hungary.
Ang